Peter Kinson, and now I will show you pre and post procedure preventive maintenance and lifting equipment, particularly in forklift. Okay, so remember this acronym LUAP. Okay, don't operate the machine equipment if you don't check a preventive maintenance, right? Okay, LUAP. B stands for battery, L stands for light, then O stands for oil, then W water, A is air, then F is fuel. Okay, here we go. I will show you. Okay. Number one is battery. Here's the battery here. So situate the two clamps. The clamps. This one, it's tight, then it's clean, it's pre-pump corrosive, it's dirty, it's distracting for the starting of the machine. Okay, that's the battery. Okay, the other one is light. Okay, the light, don't operate the machine if there is signal light. Okay, the signal light is very important because especially in working in warehouse, there's a lot of people in the warehouse, in the construction area, then there's a lot of machine too. Okay, if the signal light is defected, so don't use that one. Okay, the other one is oil. I will show you how to conduct inspection for the oil inside. Okay, you need to find the dipstick. Okay, the dipstick here. Okay, like this one, it's blackened, it's black, so it's not good for the machine. So how to measure this one is the oil, make sure the in between the full and add, below the add, don't use the one, refill it. Okay, we know already that if you use that one, if there's the machine, if there's no oil, so what happened of the machine, it will be breakdown. Okay, so the other one is water. Okay, water here. Here's the radiator or separator. We know already that water is very important too because it's regulate the cooling system of the machine. That's the water. Okay, if you found there's no water, insufficient water, refill it, right? Okay, the other one is the air. Okay, here. Okay, you need to find the air cleaner. If the air cleaner is dusty, is dirty, remove it, then clean it, then back it to the chamber. Okay, air chamber. So because it's dirty, if the air filter is dirty, so it's affect the intake manifold. Okay, it's distracting, right? Okay, so the last one is the fuel. Okay, fuel here. If there is insufficient fuel, so write it, refill it. If the gas operated, gas operated, okay. If gas operated, refill it, right? Then in preparing a pre-maintenance checklist, check up, so you need to prepare checklist or company checklist, then walk around. If you found something minor defects, major defects, so write it, then report it to your supervisor. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a good day.